I'm going to this place and just have a look at this, at the place I'm going right now. Hold on, that looks a little bit tight over there. So
please leave your message after the tone.
It's not winning.
When done,
it's a 7.5, so I'm gonna have to find another way around that. So that's why, because it's a bridge there. That's the James Abbey there, but it's just a nightmare, this place. Jesus. I'm gonna have to close the mirror on that. If I close the mirror on this, it'll be easier. Jesus. So I'm doing a delivery to this place and it's really tight, more than normally that you do when you do like fridge work and stuff like that. But anyway, I'm going to this place and just have a look at this, at the place I'm going right now. So look at this. Oh, this is the place I'm going. Obviously, to come in, I go on this road. That's all right when I come in at the beginning, obviously. And then as you turn, you've been like, hold on, that looks a little bit tight over there. So what can we do? It's not much that we can do other than just going down there. And the company is right at the end, which is over here, this one. And when you get there, it gets even worse. But to get out, whew, it's even like 3 times worse. You have to go through this little place. Look at that. It's not that much space. So it's one-way system as well. This is the 4th time I tried to ring up and nobody picks up, or somebody just hangs up the phone, because I want to know when I'm going, if it's suitable as well. So I better...
please leave your message after the tone.
It's not winning.
When done,
Gonna have to go anyway. When I get there, I find out. I won't be able to get through that. It's a 7.5, so I'm gonna have to find another way around that. It's a lay-by, not too far away, so I'm gonna have to sit there and find out. Oh, it just direct me another way, but that direction as well, it's got 7.5 ton weight limit. This is a little bit tricky when it comes to little places like this, because you get a lot of 10 things, 7.5. Sometimes we for no reason as well. So lay-by down here, so I'm gonna have to sit down then, plan it good. Here is my lay-by. Stop here for 2 minutes and find out which one is the best way to get there, because it's no way that I'm going through. There's no way they're gonna go through a 7.5 limit unless it's like very close. Could be a bridge or anything. All right, you see what I mean? It's always an auction. So instead of going through that is the one they're still giving me, it's a 7.5 limit. So that's why, because it's a bridge there. It's always a different way to go, but everything around that is red. So avoid that and then just go the long way. So basically I'm gonna go through Newton Lewello to be able to end up there. Yeah, like red roads left and right there. That's the right one, so let's get going. This place is in the middle of nowhere, man. At least the roads are not so small as I thought they would be, but it's just like mental. Not too far from there. Hopefully as soon as we arrive there, it's people, they're gonna be able to guide us, so I'm gonna have to get out and then find them and talk to them about it. So we get there. Whew. This is the place. It was a nightmare to get here. Industrial units, and this is the place as well. Whew. It's just crazy, all this, man. And oh my god. That's the James Abbey there, but it's just a nightmare, this place. Oh, that's close. That I can't see that. No, should we go through the street? Let's go. Okay, we're good. What? All right. All right, this is the James Abbey here, but I don't know if I need to reverse there or something like that, so let's pick to these guys first. All the way that I need to go between these two trucks, there's not that much space to turn that. Between them two, it's not that much space. It's enough to swing, yeah? So get a truck, swing it around, and then just turn. All right, just that way, get back in the truck, and do that there. That just kicked in. He just showed me properly where I'm going, so do that. So I'm gonna have to get as close as I can for here. All right, he's just telling me where to go then. Oof. Let's see. See that close, that thing there. If that one wasn't there, would it be easier? Hold on. Yeah, that's all right there. So just close. Jesus. I'm gonna have to close the mirror on that. If I close the mirror on this, it'll be easier. Look at how close that is to that. Jesus. Look at that. That's as close as it's gonna get this one today. Woo! Woo! Oh God! Now I need to reverse there. To that, the guy's not very helpful. Alright, at least he's telling me where to go. Well, or how close to be. Can't see him. Alright, clearly it's this way. He's just doing signals there. He's telling me there. All good, all good. Oop! You lost the sign. That is as exciting as gonna get today, I think. What a day, man. And obviously, to get out, it's gonna be even worse. He just already opened the doors and he's gonna jump in the back, so I better get out of here and start doing my job. Alright, I spoke to the guy. He's gonna give me a big stock of pallets to pull there so that doesn't fall over, because to me, I'm not happy with that. Look, that looks like it's gonna fail. So I don't want that to happen, to fail while I'm driving, even though they drive carefully. But another pallet, bunch of pallet there will make my life so much easier. So I do that now. I got a bunch of pallets now to put in that gap. That will make things so much secure as well.
Oh, try.
All right. All right. Is it gonna fit? No. No. Maybe. Let's go the long way. There we go. It's not the best, but it's something. Thank you. This thing to make a little bit safer. That should do. All right. Okay. Oh, I'm sweating. That should be alright there. It's gonna be this. Securing a low is the most important thing if you're going anywhere. Alright, that's secure there. Tons up. Let's close this. Woo! Everything is done now. I just need to figure out a way to get out of here without hitting this, which is gonna be a bit difficult. Well, we find out. Last thing I want to do is make any mistake and hit anything, so let's do that. How am I gonna get out of here now? We are hitting this. All right, pull as far as we can forward and start turning. Gonna push this way a bit and then come back here. It's just because it's so close to that as well. All right, I think we can make that. All right, okay. Woo! All right, yeah, and that's not too bad there, so I'm happy with that. Oh, I'll be able to take this off, pull forward and find out where I'm going next. Woo! Let's go. All right. Yeah. Yes. Woo! Oh, today's been a sponsor by wow. And even getting out of here is going to be a murder. All right, this is a little neighborhood that I need to go past, but it's just crazy going around there. Like cars left and right, signs. Thank you. Woo! Oh yes, let's get out of here.